Hello and welcome everybody. MMTLP stock on 29 November. Let's see what it actually happened in 4 hours update instead of for 1 day update. Okay, so if you are going to enjoy this video with the investing or selling, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, the important thing that we should take care about is going to be about this value. So since we see MMTLP is going on this form, we can go for 0 here and 1 financial level. Since we went for the yesterday movements, it was about 10 and then it increased to 12, so it increased by another 2 USD. And then okay, maybe about 3 days ago, but from yesterday to today it decreased about another 2 USD, so it returns to its original position, which was on this update. And that's what we actually wanted to see on MMTLP as a trader in this stock. And good luck on another price prediction that can be done on this video.